Hello and welcome to this lecture, which I title Building Brand Awareness with Pinterest. Pinterest is an excellent social media platform for building brand awareness and followers. In very little time, with just a little bit of consistent effort each day, you can build a base of hundreds and even thousands of followers who are regularly apprised of content that you create and publish. Pinterest operates under the structure of boards. You, as an account holder, create content containers, boards, within which you pin related content to the board's title. Content published is usually within the form of graphical images and text, and videos. Links to other internet locations can be added at your discretion. As visitors view your content and become interested in learning more, clicking the links you have included can send them to virtually any other online locations that you wish to send them to. Pinterest is an extremely powerful awareness building and linking platform, and managed with a little strategy and creativity, it can bring you many visitors to your other online locations where you can sell and close business with them. It is a great advertising location to showcase the products and services that you sell. And with some more creativity, you can make it look like a shopping catalog where interest can be obtained and clicked through from there to your site to where you're actually selling, and this will definitely lead to additional sales. As you begin to build out your Pinterest account, take some time to storyboard out what you want to create in terms of boards and content to regularly bring people to your business offerings. Remember, though, as with any social community, to not just always be selling with everything you post. Those marketers that take the time to bring easily perceived value to those visitors to their boards fare exponentially better in building follower bases and business leads from the Pinterest platform. Be a regular contributor of valuable content within your boards, and you will grow your presence on Pinterest. The next part of growing on the platform is to search for quality content created by others and pin some of these to your boards also. Pinning the content of others helps them to become aware of you, and you'd be amazed at how quickly your personal follower bases will grow as a result. Regularly following other pinners and pinning their content to your boards will, over time, see your Pinterest account grow exponentially. Now let's look at Pinterest usage in more detail. Knowing and using some of the techniques I described below will help you stand out from others on this platform. Pinterest is a platform of some sophistication, and there is in place a developer's tool environment found at the following URL that you can build upon to maximize your Pinterest benefits. The first thing you'll want to do is get the Pinterest provided code snippet that you can drop into the code of your website homepage to get your site verified and synchronized to Pinterest for the future use of what is called rich pins. You only have to do this once to get the two sites connected. This code snippet, along with related installation instructions, can be found at the URL following. Now here's a little bit more about rich pins. Rich pins allow you to provide your content viewers with additional and often bolded metadata on the pin itself. This helps your pins to stand out on a display page from other contributors' pins and provides more usable information to viewers to make decisions on as they view your pins. There are 4 types of rich pins to choose from. These include application, article, recipe, and product. More details on how to set up and use these rich pins can be found at the following URL. Following is an example of an article rich pin which has pulled an image from a contributor's website. And if a person were to click on that image within a posted Pinterest board, it would take the viewer back to the full article on the originating site. Notice that Pinterest has inserted a title in bold at the top of the pin? This will help it stand out on a Pinterest display page from other pins. Also pulled into the display of the image and lifted from that web page's metadata is source information about the content, description information, and a Read It button. You can make your pins stand out the same way for your Pinterest posts. Metadata property code snippets, which you get templates for from Pinterest via the links I provided above, will allow you to build this rich pin content into your own posts to stand out and get you more user visits to your own website. So be sure to experiment with it yourself. Product-rich pins work in a similar fashion, but these pins must link back directly to a web page where people can purchase the product offered. Here, the title information is also supported by pricing information and can include optional fields of information such as product description, currency, availability, etc. Below is an example of a product pin. By the way, if you run a Shopify site, Pinterest has built in some rich pin features that will make your content posting less time-consuming, so be sure to check out those shortcuts. Next, we have recipe-rich pins. Here's an example. Recipe pins allow you to cleanly present such information as ingredients, cooking times, and instructions, and can be an excellent way to bring people to you and your site when used creatively. So don't ignore Pinterest as a place to build awareness for your business venture. There are literally millions of people surfing this site, and you can bring customers to you by building a presence for yourself on the platform. That's all for this lecture. Bye for now.